I could do all things through Christ who strengthens me.
Greetings, my fellow nurse brothers and sisters. Man, I haven't done a video in a minute over here at my boy's house. So I'm actually going to show you the review real quick. I'm going to unbox the ZIZZO Mini Bike. It's 26 pounds, I believe, and it's a foldable bike. So you can see it right here. So let's do it. Let's open this baby up. Welcome to the Nursing Affiliated channel. Today I'm going to be talking about all my travel nurses and all my other nurses who actually need a bike to get from the hospital or back home or something because they're traveling. This is a pretty good bike. I checked it out on ZIZZO.com, but I'll actually put the link on the bottom of the description so you guys can check it out. Foldable bike, 3 pieces. Let's just jump in. All right. And it got here pretty quick. I actually bought it on Amazon. It got here within like 2 days. So yeah, what's up, y'all? We'll get her in the video too. Check it out, man. Look how it looks inside. So I guess I'll pause it and then I'll show you what we got at the end. So this is it. It's out of the box. It's pretty straightforward. It's just this one big piece. There's a seat. And we're just gonna take this off as quick as we can. That way I can show you that it's not that hard. For all my nurses out there traveling, working, you all got kids, you're busy working all these shifts, boom, it's a foldable bike, you're ready to go. All right guys, so we already unboxed it. It literally took like 2 minutes, just cutting everything. Got the pliers, because everything's wrapped like a baby. And let's unfold it, let's put everything on there, so let's check it out. Like I said, y'all, this is gonna be a decent bike for the price. So let's just see, you just fold it once, like that, that's the first step. Then you get the second step. That's not bad at all. Step number 2. Cool, cool, cool. And you can actually adjust the handlebars at your liking. And then, what is the last step? Put this baby in. Dang, what? Unfold the wheels, get out of here. Hey, so just to finish it off, there's the finishing touch. People say it looks like a circus bike, but you know what? As long as it gets you from A to B, we good. This bike, I know it's got the handles. You can't readjust it to the length or to the height, but you can also readjust if you would like. If you want it up higher, a little lower, however you want it. It's kind of nice. And then for the chair, the seat, you can actually raise it up as high as you're liking. So you can probably go up as high as you need to right there. Forward. So yeah, so it's kind of nice. I haven't ridden it yet, but just to let you guys know, on the handles, you can actually go up and down if you need to readjust it. This one can go up higher or lower. So how you have it right here is what you're gonna get. But that's the way to fold it down. It makes sense because you can't go up or higher. You might pull the wires here. You can adjust the seat, depending on how high or tall you are. Or for my homie who's taller than me, this is his perfect height for him. So the other thing I like about this bike too, is since it's foldable, it's only 29.5 pounds, so barely 30 pounds. And it's really light. I mean, you can carry it with you wherever you need. So you saw it before, now let's just take it into action. Oh, and the other thing too, 8-speed. So let's just check it out and see how it works. Let's do it. It's nice. Doesn't have a lot of air on the back tire, but it's pretty smooth. See how fast it's smooth, man. It is smooth. Got my stethoscope, my backpack, I'm going to work. It's nice, I like it. So now we're doing the first review on this bike. It's really smooth, and I'm just showing you guys how smooth it is. There you go, cruising. And it's actually pretty quick for little 8-speed, because if I'm able to record and talk to you guys, it's pretty smooth. I'm just checking the fast and speed, see how it rolls. It's kind of nice, able to cross on the road, so it's not bad. It's a good little easy bike. It's smooth. Let's check it out. Nice. Pretty smooth?
Yeah, it seems super comfortable.
That's what's up, dude. How tall are you again? 6 foot. How much you weigh?
165.
165. That's not bad, bro. That's perfect. You don't have to drive. Just get one of these babies and you're set. So yeah, I'll put the link on the bottom. Check it out, guys. Peace, my fellow nurse brothers and sisters. Deuces. Yeah, I like the new bike. Cool bike, bro. You don't want to ride this one?